So, a very good afternoon to all of you. We are going to discuss some activities today, okay? And we would love to hear from you if you want to share some ideas, okay? So, can we begin? Okay, let's begin. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to start with an activity which is my favorite. Let's start. Okay, so the first activity is I want all of you to think of a three-digit number in which all the digits are same. Okay, like 111, 222, 333, a number like this. You don't have to tell me the number. You don't have to tell the number to anyone. Just think of a number, write it down in your notebooks. Okay, three-digit number. Yes.
Ma'am, for example, like 1, 2, 3.
No. Example like 111. All the three digits of the number are same. 111, 222, 333. Like this. Okay? Yes?
You had made us write in the class that we did before.
Yes. But that was different. Okay? So, a three-digit number in which all the three digits are same. Okay? Now,
Ma'am,
yes?
the number should be below 10.
No. The number can be anything.
This is basically a long division.
No, we are not going to do long division. A number like this, I am going to write it on my screen for your help. A number like 111, or it can be 222, or it can be 333, any number like this, okay, in which all the three digits are same. Okay, done? I hope everyone is done. The next step is you have to add all the three digits of that number. My number is 111. So I am going to add all the three digits, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, which gives me 3. Are we all done till here? Have you added all the three digits? Okay, Achyut is done. I hope everyone is done.
Arihant wants to ask something. Yes, Arihant?
Ma'am, I can't understand the step 3.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I can't understand the step number 3.
Step number 3, because I haven't said the step number 3 yet. Okay, so we are done with the first step. Any three-digit number in which all the three digits are same. I've done the second step. You add all the three digits of that number. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. I've got 3. Okay, so my number was 111 and my sum is 3. What is the next step? You have to divide 111 by 3 or your number by the sum. Okay, so let's say my number was 111. I am going to divide it by 3. You have to divide your own number by the sum of it. And please don't tell me the answer. If you have found the answer, don't tell me the answer.
This is long division.
Yes, now this step is definitely long division, Advita. You are absolutely right.
Because I already did the long division sum. So, and this.
No, don't tell the answer. Don't tell the answer.
The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 37.
Okay, Advita's question is 37. Now you will see the magic. I'm going to stop sharing my screen.
I said 37.
Yes, 37. Okay. Arihan, what is your question and remainder?
Ma'am, I have got 37 and there is no remainder.
Very good. Who else is done? Very good, Advita.
I have
absolutely correct. Who else is done? Sia is done. Yes, Sia. Achyut is also done.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I have so it added 9. Can I do another one? But it came 27. How can we divide 9 by 27?
Yes, you can.
It is possible.
Yes,
like I'm doing that one right now.
Yes,
you have not told me how to do 27 how to do 3-digit divided by 2-digit.
2 digits. Yes, we haven't done that. So you can take a small number. Yes, Sahil?
Sir, is 185 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder.
185 cannot be the question. Try again.
Ma'am.
You have to add the 3 digits first.
Yes, Janine?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, my number was 555.
Okay.
And 5 plus 5 is 15. And the division was of the answer is 110. And the remainder is 5.
Try again. There is a small mistake. Yes, Achyut?
Ma'am?
Arna, wait. 1 minute. Yes, Achyut?
Ma'am, I did. I also got 37 and no remainder.
Very good. Very good. Okay, I want to tell you something, but once everyone is done. Yes, Arna?
Ma'am, I got the answer was 0. The question was 3 and the remainder was 0 and the question was 27.
27 or 37?
27 divided by 9.
27 divided by 9. Okay. Arna, that is a little incorrect. Yes, Rushil?
Remainder is 0 but the quotient is 9.
Question is 9 or 37?
Ma'am, 9.
9. What was your number?
999.
999. Okay. Yes, Kaisha?
Ma'am?
Yes, Arna?
My question is 9 3 times.
9 3 times. All those who are taking 9 3 times, they should know how to divide by 2-digit numbers. Grade 3 students haven't learned that yet, so they can take a smaller number, okay? You can try with 444 or 555. Yes, Sahil?
Ma'am, my quotient is 37 and the remainder is 0.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I accidentally divided it by 3 that you showed in the board.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, Divisha?
Ma'am, my question is 37 and my remainder is 0.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes, Tia?
My question is 37 and remainder is 0.
Very good. Very good. Yes?
Ma'am, I'm Anya. My quotient was 37 and remainder 0.
Very good, Anya. Absolutely correct. Okay. So this was the trick. You can take any number, but your quotient will always be 37 and remainder will always be 0 if you are doing it correctly. So everyone had taken different numbers, okay? But we always got the answer to be, the question to be 37 and the remainder to be 0. You can try it with any number in which all the digits are same, okay? And you can try this trick with your friends also. It's a very simple trick. Take a 3-digit number in which all the digits are same, then add the digits, okay, and then divide them, okay? The answer will always be 37, remainder will be 0, okay? Can we move ahead now?
Ma'am, divided by what?
Divided by the sum of that digits, okay? So if my number was 111, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 111 divided by 3. My question will be 37, remainder will always be 0, okay? Can we move ahead to the next trick? Can we all move ahead? Thumbs
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next trick. This is my favorite, okay? But this is a very long trick. It has 30.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sahil?
Ma'am, there's also a trick called I am always 15. If you think of a number,
Yes.
I did a second one which was 999 and I added all of them and I gave 27. So
Okay.
it's and my remainder is 9 and my quotient is 32.
ma'am,
Try again.
I think wait, let me quickly pull out a calculator.
ma'am, in this trick, if you think of a number, then multiply it with 3.
Okay.
Then add 45 to the result.
Okay.
Then now double the answer.
Okay.
Divide the answer by 6. Finally, subtract the original number from the answer. You will always get 15.
Yes, yes. I know this trick. I know this trick. That's very good. Okay. So we all can try Sahil's trick also at the end of the this class. Okay. Can we move to the next step? Okay. So this trick is called the birthday solver. Okay. I am going to find out everyone's birthday today using this trick. but this is very long. There are 12 steps, so listen to this carefully. Okay. Let's come to the birthday trick. Okay, so the birthday trick is you have to add, first step is you have to add 18 to your birth month. Okay, so what is the birth month? That means if you are born in January, your birth month is 1. If you are born in February, your birth month is 2. March ke liye 3. April ke liye 4, like this. Okay, so can we all write our birthday month and add 18 to it? Everyone done? My birthday month is
Done.
done. Okay, everyone done with the first step?
I did all of the steps. I did all the steps.
Mine is 11. Do I write it in the sheet?
Yes, no, not in the sheet, on your paper. Yes, Sahir, you have to write on the paper. Write
Okay,
your
ma'am, I
birth
wrote.
month and add 11 to it, okay? Sorry, add 18 to it.
Ma'am,
18.
I will add 18
Yes, you have to add 18.
plus 18.
Yes. Okay. Can we come to the next step now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next step is multiply the number that you have got by 25. Multiply it by 25. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I still didn't understand the second step.
The first step is you have to add 18 to your birth month. Okay, so let's say your birth month is 6, so you add 18 to it. Okay, so you get a sum. 6 plus 18 is 24. Now you have to multiply the number that you have got in first step by 25. Multiply the number by 25.
Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am, what's the third step?
I'll tell you the third step. Once everyone is done with the second step, let's come to the third step then. Okay, I think some of us are done. So the third step is subtract 333 from the number that you have got by multiplication. जो हमारे पास product आएगा second step में, we have to subtract 333 from it. Can we all try? Whosoever has done the step 1, they can look at the step 2 from the board and then step 3 also from the board.
Ma'am, I got the answer 725 now. What do we have to
Don't
do?
tell me the answer. Don't tell me the answer. Okay, you have to keep the answer to yourself. I will guess the answer in the last step. Okay.
Ma'am, now what do we have to do?
Okay. The next step is you have to multiply it by 8. जो subtract करने के बाद हमारे पास एक number आएगा, हमें उसे 8 से multiply करना है.
I did not subtract it.
You have to subtract it. Look at the screen. The third step is you have to subtract 333 from the product. Okay.
Okay.
I'm showing the steps 1, 2, 3, 4. You can be on any step. Complete all the 4 steps. Let's go to step number 5 then. Add 18 to your birth month. Multiply it by 25. Then subtract 333 from the multiplication product that you have got. Okay. And जो subtract करने के बाद remaining sum होगा, हमारे पास हमें उसे 8 से multiply करना है. ठीक है. Once we are done multiplying with 8, we have to subtract 554 from it. The step number 5, 554 from the multiplication product that we have got.
Is Aditya doing it?
Yes, I think he's doing it on his screen.
Okay.
Ma'am, you just said that subtract 554 from the answer.
Yes, subtract 554. Okay. Once you are done with this step, I think I'm going a little fast. Let's be a little slow. Let me know if anyone is done with all the 5 steps as of now.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So the next step is you have to divide the number by 2. जो हमारे पास subtract करने के बाद remaining number होगा, we have to divide it by 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi Ayana Han. We are doing the birthday solver. We are trying to guess everyone's birthdays. Okay. So here are the 6 steps that we have already done. If you want me to repeat, I can repeat it. Okay. So first step is you have to add 18 to your birth month. Okay. So if your birth month is May, so you have to add 18 to number 5. Okay. So you have to tell me the number of your birth month and then add 18 to it.
Ma'am, I have divided it by 2.
Okay. Okay. Some of us are done with the step 6. So step 7 is add your birth date. Okay. Only the date. Let's say your birthday is on 24th of any month. So add 24 to the question that you have got in the 6th step. हमारे पास डिवाइड करने के बाद जो क्वेश्चन आएगा ना, हमें उसमें अपना बर्थ डेट ऐड करना है. ओके
मैम कर दिया.
ओके, we are done with adding the birth date. Yes.
How? What will be the question if we divide two from 200 2030 382?
Arna, you will have to find the question. I can't tell you the question. Okay, you will have to find the question and then add your birth date to it. Your birth date is 18, so you add 18 to it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, once we are done with adding the birth date, multiply it by 5, the step number 8.
Okay,
And please keep your calculations correct. Otherwise, we won't be able to get the correct birthday.
Okay, ma'am.
Mistake mixed up step 7 and step 8. Please, can I have 1 more minute?
Yes, you can have 2 more minutes also, Advitya. No issue.
Okay, at 18 birth month. Okay, that's 24.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, what's the next step?
The next step is add 692 to the product that you have got in the step 8. ठीक है, हमारे पास step 8 में एक number आएगा. We have to add 692 to it. It is a long calculation, so please keep your calculations correct. You can be a little slow, but you have to guess the right birthday. $692 to it. I am showing step number 10 also.
Ma'am, show it. I'm done with the
Step number 10 is multiply the number, the sum by 20. Step 9 में हमारे पास एक number आएगा. We have to multiply it by 20. I am showing all the steps. कोई किसी भी step पर है, so they can look at the screen and then go ahead. Multiply it by 20. Step number 11 is add only the last 2 digits of your birth year. Okay. So let's say your birth year is 2012. So you have to add 12 to the product.
Mom, wait.
Yes,
Please
Advitya?
just, can I? I'm still doing step 7 because I got reset.
It's okay, no issue. I am going to wait for you and I am going to guess everyone.
The 11th one.
The
Ma'am,
11th.
what's the step 11?
Step 11 is Sahir. अगर आपका birth year 2012 है, so you have to add 12 to the number in step 9. Step 10. आपके पास multiply करने के बाद एक number
Okay,
आया.
ma'am, I understood.
Okay.
Ma'am, please show step 12.
Okay. Now the last step is subtract 32,940 from your number. स्टेप 11 में हमारे पास एक 5 डिजिट नंबर आएगा. वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 32940 फ्रॉम इट. ओके, once you are done at step 12, raise your hand or tell me what is your number that you have got, and we are going to go one by one, so please don't speak all at a time. I've shown all the steps.
Ma'am, I'm Anya. Can I tell my answer?
Yes, Anya, please tell.
Ma'am, I'm born on 5th. I'm born in May 6th.
No, just tell me the number that you have got.
Ma'am, I've got 50609.
50609. That means Anya was born in 2009 on 6th May. Is that right, Anya?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay, great. Okay, so Anya has got her birthday. Who else has raised their hand?
I got my answer is 62,511.
62,511. So Advitya was born in 2011 on 25th June. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. Completely correct.
Great.
Right.
One by one. Yes, Sahir, wait. Somebody else was speaking. Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, my answer is 21,612.
Miss, I figured out how you're doing it. Because these are 5 digit, I figured out
Yes.
the last 2 digits are actually the year.
Yes.
The first digit is the month. The second digit is the second 2 digits are the birth year.
Birthday.
Birthday. I
Yes.
just figured that out.
That's absolutely correct. Yes. Okay, wait. Arna, wait. I will guess everyone's birthday. Okay, let me just stop sharing my screen so that I can look at everyone. Okay, and then I'll guess. Can we all wait? I am going to come to everyone one by one. Okay. Sorry.
Oh, miss, I gave you the wrong number. I gave you the wrong number. It's 72,511. But my birthday is actually, the answer I got is 72,000, but actually it is only that.
Okay, great. Okay, I'm going to go one by one. Ganeev, are you done? She is doing it. Yes, Sahir, what is your birthday?
My answer is 18585.
18,585.
18,585.
18,000. Wait, let me write. 18,585. Sahir, there is a big mistake in your calculations. Can you try again? Okay, look at your
It's such a big process.
I know, that's why I wanted all of you to be very careful.
Use the calculator. So online calculator. Like, look, I can't share screen, but I used onlinecalculator.com and I got 62,511.
But I think we should do the calculations on our own. Everyone knows addition, multiplication, subtraction, integration. Okay. Who else is done? Rushil raised his hand. Yes, Rushil.
Ma'am, the number is 41708.
41708. So Rushil was born in 2008 on
17th April.
17th April, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Okay, who else is raising their hand? Achyut, yes.
Please tell me the trick.
I'll tell you.
Know the trick. I can tell you. The last 2 digits are the year. The first digit is the month. And the middle 2 digits are the birthday.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, Sia.
My answer is 40412.
40412. So Sia was born in 2012 on
Ma'am, 8 April 2017.
8 April 2017. Yes. But Sia, your calculation is incorrect. Your birthday is not in February.
I was born in 2017.
Yes.
Someone said it's their birthday is on 2017.
2017. Who said that? 2017 born are going to be only 3-year-old. Nobody here is 3-year-old.
3-year-old here.
Ma'am,
And
Yes.
this is 3K onwards, so
Advitya,
you're not supposed to be here.
can I talk to Ayan for 1 minute?
ma'am, answer is 35310.
35310. So 2010 and
Oh, there is some mistake in calculation.
yeah, there is mistaken calculation. We don't have the birth dates as 35th.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my answer is 271.
Yes, Anna.
101812.
101812. That is correct. 18th October 2012.
Ma'am, I'm Divisha. Can I tell you my number?
Yes, Divisha, go ahead.
Ma'am, my number is 91609.
91609. So 2009 and 16th September. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Ma'am, my number is 50808.
50808. So that means 2008, 5th May. Right?
8th May.
8th May. Sorry. 8th May.
Ma'am,
I'm Santi. Can I tell you my number?
Yes, Sanvi?
can you finish
My number is 91109.
the 12th question?
91109. Simran ma'am, what is the birthday?
11th September 2019.
Yes.
9.
2009.
2009, not 19.
2009.
Okay. Okay. So we have found almost everyone's birthday. Okay. So
Last question, ma'am. please.
who is this?
Ayana?
Yes.
Ma'am, Neil, I don't think knows how to multiply double digit. So 29 in the second step, 29 multiplied by 25. I don't think usko aata hai.
Ma'am, he has already practiced with 4 digits also. We have used box method for this. So maybe he can use a calculator right now, but he knows the box method.
Oh, okay. Box method. Yes. I.
Ma'am, I found my answer is 11270.
11270?
Yes.
Ma'am, 112710. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please?
Okay, so your birthday is on 27th November 2010.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Okay, so I think we are almost done with everyone's birthday. I'm just going to share this screen for 1 more minute. So the trick is you have to use all these steps. I can share this with you after the class. You can practice it with your friends. So the trick is if I give a number, let's say my birthday is on 19th July and I was born in 1995. Okay, so this will be the number I get. The last 2 digits are my birth year. This is my birth year. This is my birth date. And the first digit is my birth month. Okay. Birth month 7. Then the next step is birth date. If you want to note it down, you can. This is the trick that I have used. Birth year 1995, the last 2 digits.
Ma'am, what was my number again? I forgot my number.
I don't remember your number.
Wait, I'll do all the methods again.
No, you just tell me your birth date. I will tell you the number. What is your birthday?
25th June, 2011.
2011. So this was your number 62511. So you can write your birthdays in codes anywhere and then your friends can tell you, okay, so this is your birthday. I have written a code for Advitya's birthday. So everyone can make their birthday codes. Okay. Can we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell you my birthday
Yes.
code? Ma'am,
Yes.
it's 643072.
643072. I think there is a
No,
mistake.
no,
Yes, there is
No.
a mistake.
no,
No.
643072.
643072.
Can't be 72.
No, 6643072.
Yeah, you are saying 643072, right?
No, 6643072.
Double
Oh,
six.
66. But this is also not possible, Ganeev.
It's not correct. Yes, Achyut wants to say. Arihant wants to say something. Yes, Arihant. Yes.
Okay, then my can I say my birthday date and birthday month and year?
Wait, Ganeev. Yes, Arihant.
Mom, I forgot what I had to say.
It's okay. Yes, Ganeev, tell us your birthday.
It's on 3rd January, January first month, and the year 2012.
2012. So
10312.
10312
Ma'am, my
will be your number. Okay. So
गलत है बिल्कुल. Number ही गलत है. पूछते हैं. Ma'am, his number is 171512.
I think, ma'am, there is a calculation mistake. Can you switch on your video and audio?
Yes. I told you it's no.
Okay,
it's
Neil,
okay to make
Neil,
mistakes.
I remember your birthday is on 15th November, if I'm right. Okay. And Neil was born in 2012. Is that also right? Okay.
Absolutely.
There is only
So-
one mistake.
Yes. So the Neil's number will be. Simran ma'am, can you tell his number?
111512 will be the answer.
Yeah.
Yes, I was also thinking. There's one mistake. Oh, we've got it.
Yes.
Is on 5th November 2011.
Okay. So we have already cracked your birthday code, Sahir.
And then my number was 18585.
But that is not correct. That's not correct. But I understood your mistake. Okay. Yes. Now Simran ma'am is going to tell all of you the trick with matchsticks. Why we had asked everyone to bring matches and toothpick sticks or blocks. Okay, so everyone can do that. Please listen to her carefully, and then we are going to make some amazing patterns. Okay, let's
Can you
start. Yes, I'm
On
going to.
this-
Simran ma'am, I've enabled the option for you. You can share.
Yes. Just a second.
Please listen to this one carefully. We are going to make a new formula today. A new formula, and all of us are going to be young mathematicians. Done?
Okay, so now we will use our matchsticks and form some patterns. Okay, if you see this pattern, this is triangle path. In these paths, in the first one, it's one triangle path. So here we are making one triangle with the help of 3 matchsticks, right? So now use your matchsticks and make one triangle. Let
Make
us know
only
if you are
one
getting it.
triangle.
Just
Yes.
one triangle like this.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
How many sticks were used here?
3.
3.
3 sticks were used. If we look at the next triangle, which is 2 triangle path, what we are doing, we are making another triangle in this triangle only, right? Now we are making 2 triangles.
Ma'am, I've done the second one also.
Yes, so can you tell me how many did we use only one extra?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. 2 are required.
Yes, 2 more matchsticks were required to make this 2 triangle path. And when we talk about this 3 triangle path, then when we are making this 3 triangle path, how many extra sticks are required?
Ma'am,
We have 3
2.
plus 2.
Yes, Advitya,
Oh.
that's correct.
Yes.
I have need all of these.
Yes. So if you look at this carefully, we had 3 matchsticks. Then I used 2 extra matchsticks and made 3 plus 2. In the next step, I used 2 more matchsticks, right? So what was I doing here? I was just adding 2 matchsticks again and again, right? I was using 2 matchsticks. What is happening here? Whenever we are the 3 is constant, we are again and again using 3 matchsticks, but we are adding 2 matchsticks in it. Can anyone tell me if I want to make 4 triangle path, then how many extra matchsticks will be required?
2.
3 and 2 3 times?
9. 7. 9.
Yes, that means I need to add 2 matchsticks 3 times. Am I right?
खराब मत कर, उसको सीधा मुंह में डाल.
If I want to make 4 triangle paths, then how many 2 will be required? How many 2 extra matchsticks will be required?
Not 10. 11.
11. Okay, someone is saying 11. Let me show
Not
you.
10.
See, what was I doing here? If you look at this pattern very carefully, I had 3. I added 2 in it. Then I added 2 plus 2. Suppose I have 3 triangle paths. I am using 3 triangles. So I will just add 2 times. If I want to make 4 triangle paths, then I need to add 2 3 times. If I need to make 5 triangle paths, so I had 3 and I will use 2 how many times? 2 matchsticks how many times?
3
4 times, because it's 5 now, so we'll just subtract 1. So I'll get 4, because if you look at these 2 triangle paths, I had 2 triangles, so I just used 2 one time. When I was talking about 3 triangle path, I was using 2 times. So when we are talking about 4 triangle, we will use 2 3 times. 5 triangle paths, we will use 2 4 times.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now my question is, if I want to make 10 triangle path, then how many matchsticks will be required?
Ma'am, 9 2 times.
9 2 times, but I need to add 3 also. Am I right?
Yeah, that's
21
absolutely
matchsticks.
correct.
Ma'am, 21 matchsticks.
21 matchsticks. Let's check. If we want to make 10 triangle path, that means we have 3 matchsticks and we need to add 2 matchsticks 9 times. That means 3 plus 18. So total how many matchsticks are required? 21.
21.
21. So like this, we have one more path, which is square path. Okay, this is square path. Now you all have to look at it carefully and tell us what is the pattern followed here. In the first one, we had just 4 matchsticks. Then we were moving to the next one. Here we use.
Ma'am, 4 3 3 3.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Ma'am, 4 3 3.
Am I unmuted now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4 3 3 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, so if we need 10 parts, so we'll use 4 3 3 3 3 3 4 3 3 9 times.
Very good.
Yes, correct answer. So we were adding 3 extra matchsticks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me if I want to make a square path of 15? Then how many total matchsticks will be required?
Ma'am,
49 threes and by 3. 49 into 3 should be
87.
87. Yes.
87.
87 plus 4.
87 plus 4. Okay.
Ma'am, 91.
So did you do 4 plus 3 multiplied by 14? Did you do this? I was saying we need to make 15. It was not 50, it was 15 square path. 1 by 15.
Ma'am, so we'll do 3 into 14. Ma'am, and then we'll plus the answer with 4.
Correct answer. Correct answer.
56 matchsticks.
Yes,
Yes.
correct answer. Right. Now there is one more path. Okay. Before that, can you make V using your matchsticks? V.
Letter V, alphabet V
Letter
using
V.
your matchstick.
Already made it.
Okay.
How many matchsticks were required in making the letter V?
2. 2.
If I ask you to repeat this pattern, then how many extra matchsticks will be required if you want to make V?
One more.
One more?
Okay, so she is making an inverted V.
Okay. Correct. So you are making inverted V. If I ask you to make the letter L, then what is happening here? If you have to repeat the pattern, you have to make L and repeat the pattern. What will be the pattern here?
4.
To make L, we require 2 matchsticks. Again, we will use 2 matchsticks. Again, 2, 2, 2. So did you see? We were using twice the matchsticks again and again. 2,
Yes,
then again
ma'am.
2, then 2, then 2. So like this, whenever we make patterns, whenever we use matchsticks and make a pattern, the numbers are arranged in a proper sequence. Sometimes it's 3 times, sometimes it's 2 times, and so on. Okay? Now I'm showing one more pattern. This is a house path. Okay? Let's try this path also and see how many matchsticks are required here. This is house path. First, you have to make one house path. Yes?
I know, ma'am. 6, 5, 5, 5.
6, 5, 5, 5.
Yes,
Okay, yes, Sahil is correct. Yes, now try to make 5 house paths also.
It's 665. It's 665. It's
That's
665.
absolutely correct.
It's
Aditya.
665.
That's
The
Yes.
first two are done completely. Well, but the third one is connected to the second one, meaning it's one matchstick is already done for it automatically. Meaning
I'm
the
30.
only one, meaning one less is needed to make another house path.
very good. Very good.
Correct answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, 30 is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, 30. So I asked all of you to make 5 house paths, which means in the first house path, one house path, we used 6 matchsticks, right? In the next house path, 2 house path, we used how many more?
26. Ma'am, 26 will be the answer.
Yes, 5, 5, 5. I asked all of you to make 5 house paths, which means 6 plus 5 multiplied by 4. That means 6 plus 20. So the answer will be 26. 26 matchsticks will be required if you want to make 5 house paths. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So can we move to the next activity then?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Completely.
Okay. Simran ma'am, can you stop sharing
Yeah.
your screen?
One second.
Okay. Great. Now, before we move to the next activity, okay, I hope everyone is done. Do you want to share any kind of patterns with us? Any kind of patterns that we can make?
Using matchsticks.
Ma'am, N pattern.
Yes, N pattern. Okay. Okay. Kaisha says N pattern. So if we
N fish.
fish, okay.
Fish.
So we can note down all the patterns and everyone can make a video of their patterns and show it to us, share with us. Okay. So we all can try. Okay. So I'm going to start with the last activity. Now this is very interesting. Look at the screen carefully. Okay. Let me share. We're done with this. Okay. So now this is another very interesting activity and I hope everyone has seen seesaw in the parks. Okay. So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
seen seesaw and we have seen a balance also. Okay. For measuring things. Now I am going to explain only one problem and I want all of you to try all the other problems. Okay. So I'm going to start with the number 1. So this is a balance in which both the sides are equal. That means both the sides have equal things on both the ends and they are equal in measurement. Okay. So in the balance number A, this balance number 7 is on the one side. That means the square, the brown square is of the value 7.
7.
Yes, very good, Sahil. It is number 7. So the value of square is number 7. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me what is the value of green square in B part?
Ma'am, Sahir.
Yes, Sahil.
Ma'am, 6.
6. Sahil, how do you know that?
Ma'am, because 8 minus is equals to 6 and 8 is the other part.
sides are equal, so that means 2 plus square will be equal to 8. Okay. And if we subtract 2 from 8, that means square is equal to 6. Okay. I am going to give 30 seconds to everyone. What is the value of one pink ball in the part C? One pink ball.
Ma'am, Anya, can I?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, Sanvi can answer.
The answer is 6.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
6.
Okay, Anya, Sanvi. Very good.
Ma'am and Divisha, can I answer the D part?
Yes, Divisha.
Ma'am, each of the block will be 2 kgs.
Okay, each of the rectangular block, the green rectangular block will be 2 kg. Absolutely correct. Okay. Is everyone done? Yes.
One ball weighs 6 kg.
One ball will be 6 kg. Very good. Very good. Okay. I am going to give the last question for today to everyone. Let's see who can crack this. Okay. This is the last question. Yes. You have to tell me all the 3 answers. Star, square and question mark. Once you are done with all the 3 steps, only then tell the answer.
Ma'am, the star will be 10.
Star will be 10. Okay. Saira, I want all the 3 answers. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me
No,
then.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I know the star. One is 10. One is 10. One is 20. One is 30.
Arna, all the 3 stars are of equal value. Okay, so maybe you can try again.
20.
Okay, very good. Yes. Can anyone tell me tell the value of 1 square and then 2 squares?
5.
Sorry?
Ma'am, 5.
5. How do you know that?
Ma'am, because if you see that the 2 stars contains 20 and then 5 into 4 is equals to 20. That's why.
Sahil,
Ma'am,
the value of 1 star is 20, not the 2 stars. Yes, Arna?
10.
Very good. 10, 10, 10. One square is of 10. So 2 squares are of the value 20. Who is going to tell? Oh, we are done with the question mark. Who is going to tell me? What replaces the question mark?
ma'am, can I tell?
Yes? Yes?
10.
Half a star.
1.
I have written the correct answers on my screen. Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I am going to stop sharing my screen and I want to talk to all of you for 2 minutes. Can everyone please switch on their videos now? I want to discuss something important. Only for 2 minutes and then we are done with today's class. Okay. And I will share the questions also with you. Just for 2 minutes, switch on your videos. Okay. So now we are going to have a competition on 1st November. Okay. So it will be a 1-hour competition in the morning. Everyone will have 6 problems, 6 sections of problems. Okay. And you will have to solve all the problems in 1 hour. You will get the user ID and password for the problems. Okay. You will have to do it on your computer. Once you've done all the problems, you cannot do it again. If you have clicked on the submitted button, you cannot do them again. So be very careful. The problems will be like this only. Very creative and they will just check how actively you are listening. Okay. Okay. These were very easy problems. Can we agree on this? These were very easy, right? So the competition also will have.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Harikari would also like to do. She was sitting with me the whole time.
Very good, very good. That's good. Arika can also do. Anybody all over the country and world, if they are in grade 3, 4, 5 and 6, they can join this event. If you clear the round 1, then you get to enter the round 2 in which you will have to do some tasks. Okay. You will have a 20-minute round. You will have to complete the task between that. Okay. Aryant, I will come to you. Just let me complete. Okay. I will then clear your doubt. And then everyone will get a certificate, especially the winners. Winners will also get a certificate and a surprise reward. And all the participants will also get the certificate. Okay. Is that clear? Any doubts? Yes, Arihant.
Is there a registration form?
Yes, there is a registration form. So everyone has the link. Okay. So I think Shilpa ma'am had already sent you the link. You can ask her again for the link. Okay. There is a registration link. You just have to fill your name and other details. Okay. And it is completely free. No charges are involved. Divisha raised her hand. Yes, Divisha.
No, ma'am, I raised my hand before.
Okay. Sanvi has raised her hand. Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, I have raised my hand before.
Okay. Arihant has a doubt again. Yes, Arihant.
Ma'am, my mother has filled the form but she has filled the form for me. I and Achyut in one form.
Okay, no issues, no issues. Both Achyut and Arihant can participate in the competition. Ma'am will be sharing the links for both of you separately. Okay, so don't worry on that.
Ma'am, on which date is it?
1st November, it is a Sunday. 1st November, Sunday morning, we will have the event. Okay. Yes, Sia, you have a doubt?
When will the prize distribution be at the same day or?
I think it will be at the same day or just one day late. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Arna.
Can we also ask?
Ma'am,
To ask?
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, when we on which date we have the
1st November, Tanvi, 1st November. 1st November, it is a Sunday. It will be around 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So you will have to get up early on the Sunday. Yes, Sahil?
ma'am at what time?
At 9 a.m. Yes, Sahil?
Ma'am, would it
It would be a gift, a big gift or a short gift.
That will be revealed on the day of the event. I can't tell you that. It's a surprise.
I thought it would be just a little chocolate.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Any other doubts?
Ma'am, there will be 2 rounds only.
Yes. First round, all those who qualify the first round, they can go for the second round on the same day. Okay. And all the other students can attempt the second round few days later. I will upload all the questions on the website so you can attempt from there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Ma'am, is it Olympiad?
Yes, it is a problem solving event.
No, but I thought it was Olympiad.
No, Olympiad is different. It is a problem solving event. But questions might be same.
Oh, because Olympiad is also.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes. Olympiad is also going to come.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, would it be on Zoom only?
Yes, it will be on Zoom only.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Arihant.
Ma'am, I have to ask which type of word problem will come? Addition, subtraction, fraction, division.
Anything that you have done in the class, questions will come from that only. Okay. So it can be anything, but they will be very easy questions. If you are reading the question carefully, you would be able to answer. Yes,
Ma'am,
Atsu?
I have another question.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, on which date will Ma'am Shilpa share the link?
Shilpa ma'am will share the link on the day of the event.
Ma'am, at what time?
I think half an hour before.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Achyut had a doubt.
Ma'am, do we have to join from the same link?
Yes, yes, on the same link. She will share the link with you. Everyone will get the instructions, so don't worry about that. Yes, Kaisha?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Divisha?
ma'am, if we've done this workshop, so is it compulsory to join the competition?
It is not compulsory, but the next workshop will also have the competition questions. So maybe you can join next time also.
Okay.
Okay. Kaisha, do you have a doubt?
Ma'am, I was not there in the
Ma'am,
previous.
can we do it from an iPad?
Yes. Yes,
I was not there in the previous class, so will there be any questions of the previous class?
there was no previous class, but we had a YouTube recording. You can watch that. Okay. We can share the link with you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We will share the link with everyone. You can watch the video. But this is the first workshop for the problem solving event. So you don't need to worry about anything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now can I ask a question to everyone? If your questions are done?
Ma'am, can we do the test through an iPad?
Yes. Kaisha, you can do. Arihant? Yes.
Ma'am, on which app will the test happen?
ArcBook app. ArcBook account. You will get the details.
Ma'am, but I have a username and password, but I don't know the username and password.
No, you will get a new username and password for the account. On that day, on the day of event, you will get a new account. Okay? Yes, Kajal?
Ma'am, you will share the username
Shilpa ma'am will share it with everyone.
on the WhatsApp.
I think so. I think WhatsApp or email. Anyone has any doubts? Yes, Sia?
Ma'am, should we leave?
Yes, you can leave, but I have a question to ask everyone. Can I ask a question also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you like the event, like today's class? Yes.
When
Yes,
will
ma'am.
we get the count? Where will we get the count?
You will get the account on the day of the event.
Yes, ma'am. Where?
Okay.
Where?
Email and
which
WhatsApp.
application?
Email and WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So did you like today's class? Can we all meet on next Saturday in the same class but with new activities? Yes.
Can we do the forms like more than one time or like only once we can do it?
If you have done, if you have filled the form one time, that is enough. Okay.
Ma'am, so after 2 workshops, then we'll attend the competition.
There will be 3 workshops. Divisha, one was today. It is done. Now we will have it on next Saturday and one day before the event. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, so the links of the workshop, Ma'am Shilpa will share.
Yes, Shilpa ma'am will share the links of every workshop with everyone. Okay. So anyone else? Any doubts?
No,
Can we all meet next Saturday?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.